Here's a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. Freedom and adventure await in this sophisticated and versatile Cherokee. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect access, manual telescoping steering column, Uconnect access Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, front and rear tow hooks, Uconnect with Bluetooth, and Tiger Shark multi-air engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Experience the Jeep life. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.